Okay, Michael, can you start the session, please?
Always a mal.
Bessarabie, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht.
Need to fix something real quick.
Okay,
They are Kurt's lead.
but when it starts, it sounds like an Arab melody. It reminds me of an Arab melody. I don't know. Isabel, what do you think?
Yes, it does. Yeah, definitely has that.
Isabel, you're muted, so
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
yeah. Yes,
Ottoman.
I agree.
Maurice, what?
Okay.
I think it's Ottoman influence in
Maybe.
Bessarabia.
It is a makam, which is Middle Eastern. A makam is a typical scale from the Middle East, which is shared by Arabic, Turkish, and cantorial.
Okay,
Music.
thanks. You know, that's why we have people like, you know, everyone knows something else. Thanks, Isabel.
Welcome.
Okay.
Ich denk nach Bessarabie, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Spazieren fliegt man dort mein Jester, fröhlich ist gewesen überall. Ajotef ist dort gewesen die Gräster, als man fliegt essen Brot mit Katschke Walloi. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, oi, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen, hab ich ständig nur gesehen, Heim, du Teier, du mein. London, New York haben nicht ein Gein, Paris ist bei dir ein Dorf und Schein, die bist die, wenn Herz in mir rein. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Spazieren bringt man dort beim Jester, fröhlich ist gewesen überall. Ajotef ist dort gewesen die Gräster, als man fragt essen Brot mit Katschke Walloi. Bessarabie. Passeren we in de manjester, vrijdag is geweest en liberaal. Een jongen is door geween die gerester. Als Manfred essen brood met katschke walloi, wai. Ben naar Bessarabie, mijn schöne hemel dicht gewollt door zijn. Ik ben naar Bessarabie, oi, es ist schon nicht mehr was es ist gewesen.
Nice. Okay, if I call on you to read, so please unmute yourself because everyone is muted, okay? So Marif, can you start the English?
Let me get back to full screen.
Okay.
Well, we got a gray square over it. We have heard a
Okay.
number of
Now it's better.
nostalgic songs like Vilna, Vilna, Der Kolomeyer, Badkin,
Badchen.
how is it?
Badchen.
Badchen,
Yeah.
and Mein Städtele Belts, and the mock nostalgic Romania. Bessarabia was at various times part of Old Moldavia, the Ottoman Empire, Romania, Russia, and the USSR. One part of it is now in the Republic of Moldova. The other part is in Ukraine. Jews have lived there since the 16th century. The census of 1897 showed the Jewish population to be 228,620. The Nazis and their collaborators murdered the vast majority. By 1942, only about 200 Jews were left. The song Belch, Mein Städtele Belts refers to the Bessarabian town Balti. Boris Sandler, the Yiddish scholar and the former editor of the Forberts, was born there, and so was my Bubba.
Oh, good.
Now I know where I got my love of Arabic rhythms from.
Okay, go on.
Leopold was born in Rotterdam in 1912 to a working class family. He performed in several languages and trained to be a chazan, but also sang in bars and cafes from an early age. At age 19, he signed a contract with the Jack Hylton Band, which performed throughout the United Kingdom and Europe. When the Nazis occupied the Netherlands, he sent shortwave broadcasts back to his country. He stopped singing when he learned that his entire family had been murdered. He settled in the US after the war and resumed singing and touring worldwide. He died in 1997 in Amsterdam.
Okay, thank you. Bob, can you start reading it?
Ja. Ich denk nach Bessarabia, weil dorten ist mir gewesen gut. Ich denk nach Bessarabia, mein schöner Heim vergessen kann ich nicht.
Good,
Good.
good.
So-
Yeah,
so,
so can you
so-
translate?
Yes. I think still of my Bessarabia because there things were good for us. I think still about Bessarabia, my beautiful home. I can't forget you. But
Okay,
I-
but bank is too long
I long for, yeah, I long for, that's
Yeah.
right.
Okay,
What did I say? Remember?
Right.
Yeah,
I
let me-
think.
yeah. Gewesen and gewein, the same.
Same.
Yeah,
Yeah, same thing.
yeah.
Good. Okay,
Thank-
now we know now we know that you can read. Very good. Okay. What? Good, a bisschen, but you know, the more you will come, the more you will read, the better it will get. So no problem. Good. Isabel, please. Unmute yourself, Isabel. Michael muted all of us, so
Okay.
now.
Spazieren geht man dort beim
The Dniester,
Like
that's a
Dniester.
river.
what is it?
The
The
Dniester,
Dniester.
it's a name of a river.
Okay. Freilach ist gewesen überall. A Jontef dort ist gewesen die größte, wenn man pflegt.
Good.
Wenn man pflegt, essen Brot mit Kashkaval.
Good.
Good.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. People are walking there by the Dnetzer.
Mhm.
Freilich is enjoying. Everybody enjoys it, or everywhere.
No. Overall, it was very
Joyful.
joyful.
Holidays there, that were the greatest.
Mhm.
When one I'm not sure what flaked is.
Used to.
Used to.
Used to, okay. When one used to eat bread with kashkaval cheese.
Good. Maurice, you have to add
That's
anything?
good. That's
No?
Can I
fine.
ask a question?
Of course,
Sure.
you can always ask.
The first, it says Spazieren geht man dort beim Dniester. What is
The Dniester.
Dniester?
The Dniester is a
Dniester.
river.
Oh,
Is a river, yes. Okay?
okay,
Yeah.
תודה.
Steve, please.
Ich habe eine sehr wichtige Frage.
Okay.
Is Kashkaval etliche, endlich oder Unterschied zwischen Brinze? Das ist a sehr wichtige
It's
Frage.
a wichtig. Brinze is like a the biggest
For
thing.
me,
It's
it's-
all kind of brinze is cheese.
Right. It's a type of sheep's cheese.
Yeah. So
as is Kashkaval. I'm just
let me see if one of my Romanian friends is still here. They went out, so they won't bother me. But I have here some friends, so let me go and see. But
It's not important for now. I just was wondering for myself.
Is
Yeah,
Kashkaval
Brinze
something you can buy still?
yes, you can buy
Yeah,
Kashkaval.
It's actually not too dissimilar from any of the sheep's cheese, like feta cheese and things like that.
No.
I mean, if you read a recipe for mamaliga, they
Mhm.
say if you can't find brinza, use
Kashkaval.
feta.
What were the
Okay.
two words he said with the eh? I never heard those two words in his question. In Steve's question, what were the two words?
The two words are names of cheeses.
Oh, okay. I never heard of it.
So
Okay,
that's why you didn't grow up with Romanian, so you know. Okay. Steve, continue.
Oh, I shouldn't open my big mouth.
No, that's okay.
Oi, ich bank noch Bessarabia, weil dorten is mir gewesen gut. Ich bank noch Bessarabia, mein Scheinerheim vergessen kann ich nicht. So it's the same as the other one. Oi, do I long for Bessarabia, because there is my we were good, we lived good. I long only or still for Bessarabia, my beautiful home, which I can never forget.
Okay,
Good.
since Bob did all the work for you,
Yeah.
we will continue. You will continue in the next one too.
I was hoping you would say that Bob will do all the work for me in the next one.
Okay, but just a moment. I see that Marsha has something to say or a question. Marsha?
Can you say Bessarabia?
Yes.
Yeah,
Bessarabia.
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 Wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen, hab ich ständig noch gesehen.
Nor.
Heim,
No.
huh?
No.
Nor.
Oh, Nor, I'm sorry. Nor gewesen, gesehen. Heim, du teure, du mein. London, New York, sie haben geen, Paris is by der Azifel Shane.
Zoifil.
Zoifil Shane. Dubai, and then there's something, I guess.
I think that what I heard is in Arzen mir Arein.
Okay, right, is in my heart. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, so who I am,
No, not who, where.
It's wherever.
oh, Vu, I'm sorry,
Wherever
where,
I've
I
been.
get confused, right? Wherever I am, I am, only not there, only not, was, I'm not clear how
No,
to.
no.
Gesehen, I always only saw my home. Wherever I was.
No, that's the second line, the
saw
first
my
line, noch nicht gewesen.
Yeah, it's a complicated structure.
Right.
Wo ich hab bin noch nicht gewesen, wherever I might have been.
Oh, I see. Have I always only seen my home, my dear, my dear home that is mine, London, New York, they have charm. Paris is
Michael, the previous one, please.
Michael thinks I'm smarter than I am. Paris is by the most beautiful, du bist, and what was the
I think that what I heard is in Arzen mir Arein.
Yeah.
but Bessarabia, I think he's referring to Bessarabia.
Yeah.
You are in my heart.
Yeah,
I have a
think
I
that-
just want to, I want to thank Michael because he did some detective work. I told him I couldn't make out those last words, and he found another recording on Spotify, which is much clearer, and it's more or less what Mina said. Du bist in mein Herzen tiefer rein. You are
Oh,
deep.
okay, deep in my
Yeah,
heart.
right.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
so
and
before,
that's why
Yeah.
that's why the lyrics don't match up on the slides.
yes,
Because I
sometimes.
put
Right.
that song and didn't realize
Yeah.
that he did it in a different order.
Right.
But it's not, the differences are very
Yeah.
minute, it's not something. So I have two people that wants to, Morty and Rochelle. So Morty first.
Yes, just two things about Bessarabia.
Mhm.
One, I still like Mameliga, but
Wo denn? Wo
but
denn?
I like Malisnik better than Mameliga or Malay.
You want Malay?
I love Malay.
I have in my refrigerator. You want some?
Let me come over.
Come over.
Okay, but seriously, just to mention two things. In my mind, Bessarabia is tied with two things. First of all, the borders are on the Russian side, the Dniester, and on the other side, the Prut. So those two rivers form the borders of Bessarabia formed. The other thing that every time I hear Bessarabia, I think of Transnistria, which was one of the worst Nazi camps ever, even worse than Auschwitz. And it was really, really bad. So yeah, I have many friends who came from Bessarabia, fortunately before the war, or parents from friends. But those are the two things that I think about when I hear Bessarabia.
Okay, thank you, Morty. Rochelle and then Isabel. Rochelle?
Okay, I'm having a problem with the structure and grammar of the first sentence now. I would translate "Wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen" as "where I have not yet been." And if it said "Wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen," I would translate as "no matter where I've been." So why is that word noch not no?
Maybe I didn't hear it right. Maybe it is no.
Okay,
No, yeah. He means wherever I've been, because then he
Yeah, but-
enumerates London, New York, Paris.
yes, but I would not use the word where.
No, I think you're probably right. I probably misheard it. Right.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Okay. Okay,
That's
Isabel?
why I had trouble translating it.
Yeah.
Because you screwed up.
It's always somebody else's fault.
Yeah.
Of course. Ich bin a Yid.
Anyway,
Okay, Isabel.
in
The
1983,
anti-Semitism.
1983, so we're talking about 40 years ago, I was performing with a well-known guitarist in Romania. And we went to a restaurant and asked for a menu. And the waiter said, "Menu?" They had nothing. They had no gasoline. They had no streetlights. I mean, it was just poverty stricken. So he just laughed at menu. So I said, "What do you have?" He said, "Mama Liga." That was it.
And it was good too, I bet.
Yeah.
What is Mama Liga? I never even heard of it.
Cornmeal
Mama
mush.
Liga is a cornmeal dish.
Cornmeal.
And it's made in a pot that you've made it 1,000 times before, so it's good and crusty. And then my aunt used to put it in the oven. She'd bake it after that with some Brinza cheese in it. So it's a little like an arepa, but
It's a
really
milchedick thing.
oh yeah.
Yeah,
This
it
is
is
milchedick.
milchedick.
Or
Yeah.
polenta, a little
Yeah.
like.
Oh, it's like polenta, exactly. Yeah. exactly.
I may have said this before, but I remember years ago, I'm gonna say this in English so I can say it quickly. I went to Ratner's with my uncle and father, and on the menu, there's Mama Liga, which, was a real treat because my mother didn't make it a lot. And so I said to the waiter, "Oh, great, Mama Liga, I'll have some." And he turned to me and says, "Is your mother Romanian?" And I said, "Yes, my mother's Romanian." He said, "Don't order the Mama Liga."
This is Civic Avenue waiter.
That's good. Okay, Elaine and then Bob. Elaine, but unmute yourself because you're still muted.
Yeah, I'm still having trouble with that first sentence. Can I get some clarification? Did we decide that it was nor instead of noch?
Yes.
Okay, and I'm still not, because of the knit, I still need the translation of that sentence, even if it's nor. Can you translate it again from, wo ich bin nor?
No, nicht gewesen. Wherever I may have been, wherever I might have gone.
What's wrong with noch? Ich bin noch nicht
Because
gewesen.
noch is not yet, but that's not what he doesn't mean not yet.
Yeah.
It means wherever
so-
I've been. London,
So it's
New
like,
York,
is it like
Paris.
I'm looking for the word not. And I think she is also, but I'm not having it. So is that some kind of an idiom?
It's an idiom, right? And
An
so
idiom,
you
noch
can't-
nicht.
when you're going from one language to another, very often you can't do it word for word. You have to get the essence of what he's trying to say.
Okay, so it's wherever
Wherever I may have been.
I have I
Not
might
been
have
yet.
been,
Wherever.
wherever I might have been, and it,
Right, wherever I might have been, wherever I've been. So,
okay, and it's nor, not noch.
right.
Okay. Bob?
Oh.
Yeah,
Wait, I also.
okay. You have another, okay.
I also have a question about the last, because I printed it out, and what I
Mhm.
printed out said "Du bist von dem," which obviously, I guess that was how whoever heard it. So can you just tell me the Yiddish again? You are deep in my, I got "Du bist," but
Right,
what's "you are deep in my heart"?
In Arzen mir herein.
right.
Du bist in
Arzen,
Herzen, right. Tief in Herzen mir rein, deep in my heart.
in Hartzen,
yes.
Mir
Mir
Arain.
Right,
mir
Mhm.
in
Right,
my,
yeah.
okay,
right.
Yes, and Arain, enter. Okay?
thank you.
Okay, Bob.
Sure.
Yeah, I know that Moldova, Bessarabia, was maybe the poorest of all the Soviet um, republics. It was always very, very poor, right? I mean, worse than most. And
Yeah.
what's the derivation of the names? Anyone know where the Bessarabia come?
No.
Any idea?
Ottoman
No.
Empire.
I mean, it could be from Ottoman times.
Right, I'm sure it.
Could be
Yeah,
from Ottoman times.
but
Mhm.
it's pretty
Oh.
far from Arabia. But what does it mean?
Yeah,
Literally,
right.
What
Close
does-
to Turkey, if you look at the map, Turkey spread out and had a lot of those areas around the Black Sea for, I think, hundreds of years, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
vast empire. You could walk from Istanbul to Bessarabia.
Right.
Mhm. Yeah,
And to Jerusalem on the other side.
on the other side, yeah, that's true too. Yes, Marty, yeah.
And
Yes,
he
just to go back to the problem with the first line. Yes, as Maurice said, it is a Yiddish idiom, and maybe the people have heard this say. People use the expression "Wie soll ich nicht gehen,"
Mm,
Right,
Yeah.
which means literally
Yeah.
wherever I may go.
wherever I go, wherever I
Yes.
might
Even if
go.
right, even if it uses the word nicht,
Nicht.
Right,
Yeah,
it
don't
still
translate
means
it.
wherever I may go.
right.
okay, good, thanks. Susan, we cannot see you.
Oh,
You lost your camera, Susan.
oh,
Okay,
okay.
good,
Can you see me
good.
now? To give you the equivalent in English of that negative is no matter where I've been, and
Mhm.
do the negative with the positive. It's
Oh,
a
no matter, right, okay.
no
Oh.
matter where I've been,
Right,
I
right,
keep
right.
looking to Bessarabia.
Right.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Alvin, and then we continue reading. Alvin.
I just want, I don't want to question Morty, who I admire and who knows so much, and is obviously a historian, but I do know some things.
Please, I'm married already.
I can tell you that not everybody in Bessarabia was poor. In the 1830s, Russia allowed Jews to settle in colonies in Bessarabia. And my father was born in such an area. It was a colony. There were 2,500 people, and was all 100% Jewish, except for some employees who were local non-Jews. And they made a living, and they were allowed to own property, and they were allowed to be in whatever profession suited them. It was a way that Russia tried to Europeanize, if that's not even a word, Bessarabia when they stole it from the Ottomans. So Jews lived very well for a time. The colonies kind of came like Moshavim in the late 1800s because the people decided to change the arrangement. But it still was not poor, at least the colonies were not, and they were all Jewish. I think there were 15 or 16 colonies. My father's town was on the Dniester itself, and according to the description, was very, very attractive. It became Romanian I forgot now the year, became Romanian, stayed Romanian until the revolution, Russian Revolution, and for a short time, it became part of the USSR. Romania hopped it back again, but when it was the USSR after the revolution, everything was socialized. So now what was a prosperous place was broke because all the businesses became part of the Soviet Union's arrangement, socialist arrangement. It fell back into Russian hands. No, it fell back into Romanian hands shortly after the short time with the Russians. When Ribbentrop and
Molotov.
When Molotov and Ribbentrop made their arrangement, the Germans agreed to let the Russians take back Bessarabia, and because Germany would give another gift, I forgot what part of Hungary or some other, would trade that to satisfy the Romanians, would trade that for something else. So the Russians took back Bessarabia just before the war. And to give the Russians credit, which I hesitate to do, when they saw things were bad, the Russians offered the Jews or anyone, maybe gypsies, I don't know, anyone who wanted to move to the east. In the case of many people to Uzbekistan, to move to the east, and they provided rail transportation to those Jews who wanted to flee Bessarabia just before the war began. And many Jews did, not nearly the majority, but many Jews did. And they had to pass through Transnistria, which had a camp, yes, a horrible camp, but was so anti-Semitic, the Jews took their lives in their hands just to get across the river, the Dniester River, to the railhead. In the case of my father's family, everyone fled except my grandfather, who was in his mid-90s. He couldn't leave, and they fled to the east. When the Russians connected with the Romanians, invaded Bessarabia, they killed the old people like my grandfather on day one. There's more history, not to go into that now, but anyway, Transnistria, I got the impression Morty was saying Transnistria was a camp. Yes, there was a camp, but Transnistria was a region as well,
Yes.
and still is a region. It's a region that has been supported by Russia because they like to destabilize border areas. So they provide weapons and organization to the Transnistria, which that's typical of the Russians. Anyway,
Yeah, I know. Actually, Transnistria means the other side of the Dniester.
Yes, of course.
Yes, and I know it's a camp, but just to give credit where it's due, it was Bob that was referring to the poverty of the country. But I think he refers really to Moldova today, which is one of the poorest countries in Europe.
In the world, yeah. Okay, thank you. That was really, comprehensive. Thank you, Alvin.
Yes.
Mariv?
And to my surprise, this last year, I ran into someone from a background from Germany who told me also his family was brought to Bessarabia and worked in a camp community, the same way the Jews were. And he claimed that they had the same amount of prejudice and riots and blah, blah, blah. I don't know about that, but it wasn't just Jews that got,
that's historically correct.
Europeanized.
It
is historically correct. It was in the late 1700s that German immigrants came to the area of Bessarabia. Right, Alvin?
Wow.
Yeah, but I don't know if it was the same prejudice. Yeah.
Any time that somebody foreign comes to a local place, there is prejudice against the foreigners.
Against him, yeah. We know it in Israel, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Elaine, yeah.
I just want to understand. Honestly, I've heard the term Bessarabia. Was it a country? Was it a region?
No, it's a region. It's a
just
region.
a region that kept getting carved up when there were wars.
It's like Bukovina or Galicia.
Okay,
Are not countries but areas in Europe.
Okay, got it.
Okay, let's continue. Judy?
Yeah, yes, you had mentioned you had a particular food in your refrigerator. Could you
Malai.
explain?
Malai.
Malai, I have
What is
Malai.
that?
Oh,
I
What
have
is
Malai.
that?
I'm married to a Romanian.
But what
one
is
of the most one of the most delicious foods in the world.
Can
You
you
want
explain what that? I've never. Can you explain what that is?
It's cornmeal with flour and smetana and the
Sour cream,
sour
and
cream
cheese.
and cheese in the middle. You want to see?
Yes.
And you bake it, and it's a sweet dessert.
Is it like a dessert? Okay, it's a dessert.
Yeah, I
Can we-
eat it
would
as
we
a
be able-
dessert.
Yeah.
Would
Don't
we
show
be able
unless
to
you're gonna
find,
share.
would we be able to find a recipe online?
Oh, sure.
Yes.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh,
See how
it's
it
almost
looks?
like a it's like a cheesecake, it looks a little.
Yeah,
bit.
don't show unless you're gonna
Cornmeal,
share.
with
Ah.
cornmeal.
It's cornmeal.
So if
And-
I was looking for a recipe, how do you? What?
There
What?
are
How do you?
recipes online.
Yeah,
How do you spell
type
it?
Malai, Malay.
Malay?
No, Malay.
Malai. Okay.
Thank you.
Alternatively, I can translate it from Hebrew and send it to you.
It's
Oh,
not healthy.
great. Terrific. That's
It's
great.
it's in I have it in Hebrew. So okay, guys, let's go. Judy,
It's
read.
not healthy nowadays. Forget it.
Okay.
Okay, ich denk nur Bessarabia noch, weil dorten ist mir gewesen gut. Ich denk noch Bessarabia, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Do you want me to translate it again, or?
No, we already did it. Well, go to the next one and yeah.
Wait, I have a question about the word con. Everybody is pronouncing Ken. Is that
Con is it's a Russian pronunciation. Can,
okay? Isn't con a circle?
yes, but as a verb, it's just a variant. It's a dialect.
It's a variant of Ken.
Jews in Russia often say con. It's
But,
most
but it's a
Polish Jews
variant
would
of
say-
Ken. It means
Yes,
can.
right. It's a variant of Ken, right.
Okay, so let's go now, Judy. Go on. And
Spazieren geht man dort beim Dniester,
That's it.
the river, okay.
Yeah.
Freilach ist gewesen, Iberlach. A Yontif ist dort gewesen, die Grester, wenn man fleckt Essen Bräut mit Keshkevel.
Keshkeval.
Okay,
Keshkeval.
so we
We
already
already
translated it too, but translate it again, just, so we will get.
Okay, walking, walking by the Dniester River.
Yeah.
Happy, what does Iberlach mean?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, it's very happy. Holidays were very there were very big.
They were
Yeah,
the
they were the
biggest,
greatest,
yeah.
and I've
They were
got
the
a
biggest.
typo in there. There shouldn't be a vav after the summer.
Yeah.
The greatest.
Okay, we would we always were eating bread with that particular kind of
Yes.
cheese.
Yes, Kashkaval, yeah. Okay, thank you, Judy.
Thank you for showing us the pastry.
I have a question.
Yes.
Is another word for everywhere Iberal?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Cookie, can you read this?
Yeah, thank you. Ich denk noch Bessarabia, weil dorten ist mir gewesen gut. Ich denk noch Bessarabia, Mein schöne Heim vergess kann ich nicht.
Okay, so it's the same. It goes
Same
on. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. And the same here. Yeah. Read it, Cookie, but it's the same. The spazieren.
Spazieren geht man dort beim Nester. Freilich ist gewesen überall. A Jantiv ist dort gewesen die größte. Man pflegt Essen, Brot mit Kasteval.
Okay, thank you. I think let's listen to it once again. Okay?
Nach Bessarabien, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich weg nach Bessarabien, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Spazieren fliegt man dort mein Jester, fröhlich ist gewesen überall. A Jontef ist dort gewesen die Größte. Als man fliegt Essen Brot mit Katschke Walloi, weg nach Bessarabien, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich weg nach Bessarabien, oi, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen, hab ich ständig nur gesehen, Heim, du Teier, du London, New York haben nicht ein Gein. Paris ist bei dir ein Dorf und schön. Die bist die, wenn Herz in mir rein. Ich denk nach Bessarabien, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabien, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Spazieren bringt man dort beim Jester. Fröhlich ist gewesen überall. A Jontef ist dort gewesen die Größte. Als man fragt Essen Brot mit Katschke Walloi. Essen Brot mit Katschke Walloi, ich denk nach Bessarabien, mein schöne Heim wollt ich gewollt noch sehen. Ich denk nach Bessarabien, oi, es ist schon nicht mehr, was es ist gewesen.
Okay.
Michael. Michael.
Yes.
Can you show that other postcard, the one at the beginning?
Oh, at the beginning, yeah.
Can I get a translation of the last line of the song?
That it was not what it used to be. It's not what it used to be.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, thank you.
Right. This is extremely important, guys. The town of Doranavatra is the town where my wife's family comes from.
And Maurice,
actually, it was in Bukovina. It wasn't in Bessarabia. Bukovina was another area of Romania that was that had a large Jewish population. So just in case, Dorna Vatra was in Bukovina.
And I was told, Maurice, I was told by my Romanian friends that it's not Dorna Vatra, it's Vatra Dorna.
Yeah, now it is, right.
Yeah,
but
nowadays
yeah,
it's Vatra Dorna.
under the Habsburgs, under the Kaiser Franz Josef, it was Dorna Vatra.
Dorna Vatra.
Austria-Hungary.
Right.
What does the town's name mean? What do those words mean?
I don't know. Vatra is probably water. I'm
Yeah,
guessing,
it's by the
because of
water or
Polish,
something
Vatra.
like this.
Yeah, I think it's.
I think
it
it's
was a
by the
spa.
water.
I think the town had spas. People used to come to take baths that were supposedly good for your health.
Yeah.
So on, and when
Yeah,
it was part of
it was a
the
spa
empire,
town.
the public schools were run in German, and my wife's mother and aunts and so on, when they went to school, the language of instruction was German. It was the Kaiser Franz Josef.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
And the last postcard, I think it was the town of Belts.
Yes, it was Belts, right? Balti, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. That was an interesting thing. Alvin, yes, you're muted, so unmute yourself, Alvin.
Just a linguistic point before you make fun of the way they pronounced the word gut. And they say git. Der Tata is gegangen jeden Shabbos zu Shiel.
Yeah, to see, yeah.
Millions of Jewish people spoke that way. That's correct.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
That's correct.
Okay, guys, Louisa, and we will move on to the story. Otherwise, we will never finish it. Yeah, Louisa.
Yeah, my question is, what's bank? Bank.
Too long.
Long for some to miss.
Too long.
Bank noch dir. I miss you.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank
Yeah.
you.
That was
Excuse
really,
me,
yeah.
this is Karen.
Yeah, Karen?
I just read that the Vatra Dorna got its name from the river Dorna.
From the Dorna.
River
Okay,
Dorna.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Good.
Good. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to Isaac Meir Dick and the story that Manger wrote in the style of and about. So we will. Okay, so if you remember, Isaac Meir Dick is strolling in the city and hearing a commotion. A girl doesn't want to get married, and in the streets they're saying that it's like his stories, and they're starting to argue if it's, you know, if no, Kidma, if enlightenment is good for the Jews or not good for the Jews, whatever Isaac Meir Dick is writing in his stories. And then it's kind of, the writer moves on to another topic, and he writes about Isaac Meir Dick wanting to get more money for his stories, wanting to get more money from the publishing house. And we stopped in hat übergegeben sein Manuskript. Okay, Naomi, can you start reading it?
Okay. Hat übergegeben sein Manuskript und verfirbt Schmues wegen dem und jenem, bis ist zugekommen zu dem Indien, was hat ihm gequetscht, nämlich, als will von Heint an für ein Meisterbichel 3 Rubel und nicht wie bis jetzt der 2. He presented, or he put forth his manuscript.
Yes.
And he led, or he began a conversation about this, about that, until he came to the matter gekvetched, I know the word, I don't know how to translate it, which
Bothering him.
bothered him, okay.
Yes.
I thought it means crease, no, but when you
Yeah, but
say,
here it
yeah,
means
okay,
it bothered him,
okay,
right.
okay, and what's nemlach?
Namely,
Namely,
Oh, namely, oh, okay, as wilheint on from as that he wants from this day on or forth, for one pocketbook, 3 rubles and not 2 rubles as had been up to now, or something like that.
yes, yes.
Ich leben hat geteinet, sie ist nicht kein Joischer, mechaber muss euch leben, befragt, als meine meiste Bichlach schlingt men wie Holischkes. Okay. Okay. Ich leben, I mean, I guess, or what I mean to say or something.
like upon my life.
Upon my life, like I swear, or
Right.
Yes,
this is
yeah,
true.
right.
Okay. He complained or
Complain, yeah.
okay.
Plain.
Okay, sie ist nicht kein Joischer. It's not a
Inherit.
lineage, maybe.
No, it's not
no.
fair.
Not fair, it's not.
It's not fair.
It's not fair. Oh, es ist nicht kein Joischer. Okay, but what does Joischer mean?
Justice.
Justice. I'm sorry. Okay. It's not fair. A chaver muss euch leben. Oh, a writer also has to live, especially befat as meine Bücher schlingt mit. Oh, especially my pocketbooks. They're just oh God, they're eating them. They're swallowing, or they're
gobbled up.
They
Right.
gobbled up. Yeah, like cabbages. Is
Stuffed
Holishkis.
cabbage.
Oh, stuffed cabbage.
Stuffed cabbage.
Okay,
Polish is
okay.
Stuffed cabbage.
There's a lot of words for cabbages. Cabbage,
Yeah.
I think. Okay. Okay.
Go on.
Yeah. Okay. Dvorke die Druckerke hat aufgeöffnet Mäul und Euren. Es tights hat sie geteinet. Wosche Rede, Reb Isaac Mayer. Okay, so Devorah, the printer or the publisher,
Yeah,
Mhm.
opened her mouth and ears. It's tights. What does that mean? What do you mean? She complained. What are you talking about, Reb Isaac Mayer? 2 rubles sind schon euch zu viel. Oh, 2 rubles is already too much. Wer hat das gehört, Zoins? Whoever heard of such a thing? 3 rubles for a Meisterbichel, 3 rubles for a book, a pocketbook. Gate, soin, gate. Go already, go?
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
go, yeah.
Okay, is the soin really showing?
I think
It's
it has to be
dialect.
shown.
It's dialect.
It might be a Litvak dialect.
Yeah,
Dialect.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Ear tribe katoves. Okay, that's is that not nice to say? I don't know what
You're
that means.
joking.
Oh,
You must
okay.
be joking.
Oh, you're chasing but tribe is to chase. So what is katoves?
Jokes.
It-
You're telling
jokes. Okay,
Right.
okay.
You're
Thank
saying
you.
must be joking.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Susan,
I think she has a speech defect.
or
I
maybe,
don't think this is a dialect. I think
No,
it's,
but you know that there were in Vilna, they used to make fun that people would say Sabbath instead of
yeah, and
Shabbos.
Fisalech.
Sabbath.
okay, so
Right.
this would be a Litvak from
Yes,
particular village. There was a particular geographical area in which they couldn't pronounce the shin. They
yeah,
pronounced it like a sin.
I think sometimes the more, maybe the educated ones, maybe I don't know if it's a regional, yes, it could be regional, but I don't think everybody spoke the Sabistika Loshin. I don't know why some did and some didn't.
I don't know.
Maybe an area.
There's
maybe
a very good story. Somebody from came to the United States, and suddenly they found out that their relative who had come previously had been put. He was in the American Army. He'd been put in jail. He couldn't figure out why, and he said, "I was lined up in the army, and sie haben mir gesagt, schieß." And geschossen.
Okay. Luisa, yes.
Yeah, I have a question, please. What exactly is the samach is on states or states? What is states?
States. What do you mean? States. What is the tight? What is tight? States.
Meaning, what meaning? It's
thought
like,
it's
what do you
type.
mean?
Thank you.
Okay, Susan, go on reading. Sot ihr ober. Susan?
Yeah, where is it?
Sot ihr, where I'm putting.
So hat ihr aber gar nicht geholfen, but it didn't help at all. And him, it didn't help him at all. Dick hat sich eingespart und hat ausgeführt seins. Isaac Mayer Dick was stubborn and he did what he wanted. Seine Meise Bücher haben schon a shame. His storybooks are well known. They have a name for themselves. Sie seien interessant. They're, on the one hand, they're interesting. Belendig and instructive. Mit Katowislach und mit Ernst, with jokes and serious things. Min kann sie lernen. You can read them.
Lernen.
Lernen. You can read them and you can learn from them, von sie. Letztens hat ungeheuben zu schreiben mit der Sach taichische Werte. And finally, he learned to write with a lot of Yiddish taich or the Yiddish words. Mit der Kavana, with the purpose as a sein entire Leserin, with the purpose that his dear reader soll sich auslernen a bisschen tight, so that his reader learn a little bit of that Yiddish touch. And then
one moment, the Laserin, it's a woman.
Yes, these stories were for the Meise Bücher sind gewesen for Freuen.
Yeah, for Freuen. Yeah. Morty, you wanted to say something?
You said it already.
Okay, I said it already. Okay. Go on, Susan.
Die Druckerker hat ihm vor dem neuen Meise Bücher bezahlt ganze 3 Rubel. The publisher paid him for the new storybook all of 3 rubles. A Stück gesund hat es ihr gekost. It cost her an eye and a leg. A bit of her health left her when she had to pay that. Aber sie hat bezahlt, but she paid. Und Isaac Mayer is rausgegangen, hofferdig. And Isaac Mayer came out of this hopeful, zufrieden von dem Nitzochen, happy from his success. It's better wie der Steiger, and now he would do, as the custom is, jede Woche oder 2 zustellen a neue Meise. Every week or 2, he would write out a new story, bekommen mit a Rubel mehr, and he'd wind up with 1 more ruble.
Okay, thank you, Susan. Luisa, yes?
Yeah, I have a question or a comment about the word Taich, because I remember that I was, a number of years ago, I was in Berlin at the Historical Museum, and there was this extraordinary slide show that had the origin of Germany. It was about the origin of Germany. And I remember clearly that word Teich to indicate the German. So can any of you comment on the meaning of Teich? Is it talking about Yiddish, or is it talking about adding more German words into the Yiddish?
So
I think
here-
that, yeah, Maurice
ahead.
already said it. Yes, Maurice.
Yeah, so it was part of a movement among certain writers and Yiddish intellectuals to deliberately introduce German words into Yiddish, because at the time, Yiddish was still considered, you know, some lowly, debased form of German. And there were Yiddish writers who shared that opinion, rather than thinking of it as an independent language that was somehow related to German. So they deliberately put in German words.
So, but therefore, the meaning of Teich is really German, right?
It's a variant of the word Deutsch.
Okay. By the way, something very similar happened with Ladino, where people used to complain that it was a jargon. So both Yiddish and Ladino went through the same thing, that a lot of speakers considered it like improper German or improper Spanish, and that they needed to go back to the sources to kind of clean it up.
That's it.
Okay. I have a lot of people wanting to ask or comment, so we will start. Rochelle, Morty, Susan, and Steve. Rochelle.
Das Wort Austeichen, is that the same root?
Yes.
Yes.
But that means to explain. It doesn't have anything to do with German.
Translate.
To translate to the Yiddish that people spoke as common everyday speech.
Right.
Not in Hebrew.
Oisteichen, right.
Oisteichen, yeah. Okay, I just thought it meant to explain. I didn't realize it was connected to the.
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Morty.
Yeah, obviously I am not a linguist, but Wikipedia translates the word Teich as Jewish German or Deutschmerisch.
Deutschmerisch, yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I wanted to say.
Yeah, yes, that's right. Yeah. Susan?
One of the most important, we talk about books for women, one of the most important books written for women was the Teich Chumash.
Yeah.
A woman's translated into Yiddish Deutsch, translated for women into their everyday language, because women would not have been studied Hebrew.
Right.
So
That's
the Teich Chumash.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks. Steve?
Just a minute. What do you
Just
mean
a
women
minute.
did not study Hebrew? My mother came from Lithuania.
No. What she means, nearly. Previous generations.
My mother.
Older generation than your mother, your great grandmother.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, Steve.
Just responding to something that Louisa said that I think was very interesting about, you know, how language divides and derives and all that other thing. And this is this idea of the struggle between German and Yiddish for, you know, what is a language, what is, you know, what is proper, what is improper, is a constant battle in every single language on the planet, including American English. You know, where there's just people, you know, that language is an expression of power, language is an expression of authority, and people who, you know, who want to control the language or be a part of that language is often, you know, riddled with a lot of complexities. You know, how marginalized people like Jews, you know, would want to reach for more Deutschmerisch Yiddish because, you know, it reflects the power and authority of that language. So there's always every language on the planet has this struggle. Some languages are more controlled by the government, but this is just a part of that, I think.
Okay, Steve, thank you. Elaine? You're muted, so unmute yourself.
Yep. Okay, I just want to make sure that I'm looking at the right word. So the last word in that very first paragraph, that's the word, the test,
Teich.
And it's pronounced tight.
Tights.
Yeah, tight.
Tight. Well, it's not
Tights.
tights. You're saying tight with a CH at the end.
Yeah, but here is again, I think he's poking fun at the pronunciation.
Right.
No, I think the pronunciation in that area, they had trouble differentiating the sounds between a shin and a sin.
Yes.
No, they're just stubborn.
The shin was a problem, so the shin became a sin.
Right.
Okay, so it was
Tight.
tights instead of tight. Okay.
Right,
Okay.
right.
And I also thought that I heard almost more like a Dalit sound at the beginning.
No.
You know, if we're saying
No, they had
German.
no trouble with Dalit, just the
Yeah,
shin.
but what I'm saying is,
Sabes.
don't we normally talk German? Don't we usually say Deutsch?
Yes,
Oh,
yes, normally we do, right. But
Okay, but-
those people up there in Lita, they're just stubborn. They refuse to speak Yiddish.
Okay, Bob, you're muted, so you're muted. Okay.
Talking about languages, the famous line, I forget who said it. A language is a dialect backed by an army.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I think that was Weinreich.
Yes, it was. Yes,
That
it
was
was.
Weinreich, yeah.
Weinreich, right.
Mhm. Yeah.
Whose first
It's very-
language was German, by the way.
Yeah. David?
Oh, yeah, so just echo something Steve's saying. He's up there in Jersey, down here next to us in Texas, Louisiana, similar thing, I hear my friends from Louisiana say, well, Louisiana French, it's not real French. It's because it doesn't sound like French from Paris. So there's this view that the language they speak is not a real language, kind of like some Jewish people used to think Yiddish was not a real language, because it wasn't like German.
Right.
You're right, thanks. Just a moment.
You were making fun about the pronunciation. I just wanted to remember for the Litvaks, they never used the SH. So the word Shabbos for them was Sabes.
Sabes.
That's
Sabes.
Yeah.
And the other thing is that, yes, Weinreich's mother language was German, but he got fascinated by Yiddish and dedicated his life to working in Yiddish. And his history of the Yiddish language is something fascinating.
Yes.
Yeah, I think you can find it online nowadays, yeah.
Yes.
Cookie.
I have two questions. The first one is, didn't Yiddish exist before the German language?
No.
No, the German language came first. I know
Yes.
Germany was not existing.
No, around the year 1000 is when you have the first concrete written evidence of Yiddish. And it's around the time that Beowulf was written. So, I mean, there was no official German language before then, and there was no official Yiddish language or English language before. Think
also-
about Beowulf, it's
The other one is when you say Teich, to me it was translate. However, how about the word Übersetzen?
that's also to translate, right?
Yeah.
Right? Doesn't that also mean translate?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
But Übersetzung, it comes from German.
Right.
Übersetzen comes from German and Teich comes from what?
From German. They
From
both come
German
from
as
German.
well. Yeah. Okay, Luisa.
Thank you.
Yeah, I wanted to go back to some of the comments that somebody else made a little while ago. It says Teich, actually Teich and Deutsch are really the same word, because linguistically, the difference between a T and a D is simply the fact of adding voice. So they're articulated in the same point of the mouth. So from linguistics, from a point of view of linguistics, it's the same word, Deutsch or Deutsch. But remember what I mentioned, that in Berlin, they refer to the word Deutsch that way. And my second comment is that the Sadi would have to have an apostrophe in Hebrew or in Jewish languages to be pronounced as a ch. So here they just didn't put the apostrophe. But if you look at the previous line where it says tai chi she, you have the tet and the sh to indicate ch.
Yeah.
So what's missing at the end is simply the apostrophe, the geresh is called in Hebrew, because otherwise there's no way to put the sound ch in the Jewish languages.
Okay, thank you. Let's continue because by hook and by crook, we're finishing the story today. So we have to.
How do you say that Yiddish, by hook or by crook?
Yeah, okay, Brenda. Verbijendig, verbijendig. Brenda, you're with us?
Ja, ich bin da.
Ah, okay, because
aber ich kann lernen, aber nicht so gut. Vorbeigehendig, auf zurück, Reb Leibush Kaminsky, Heus, ist stehen geblieben, sich a Weile zugehört, aber hat gar nicht gehört. Sie ist schon gewesen still. Gleich gar nicht geschehen. Efter hat a Tracht getan, ist die Tochter schon Maskim, ich weiß das wird. Anes. Zum Schirach und die Chassene wird Tage sein morgen. Übermorgen wie Tate Mama willen. Okay. Who would like to help me translate?
Walking by.
Yeah, Morty will help you.
Okay, so walking by was Leibush Kaminsky's house, walking by his house, is zeer stehen geblieben. He stood there a while and listened, but he did not hear anything. It was already quiet. Gleich soon, gar nicht geschehen, nothing happened. Efsha, maybe he gave a thought. A Trachterton thought, is the Tochter, the daughter, already agreed to the Shidduch on the wedding will already or be
will actually
Taka be tomorrow or the next day, Übermorgen, that the mother and father wanted.
Very good.
Dank.
Very good.
Aber das ist genug. Ich ende mit das.
No problem.
Doesn't Taka mean surely?
Yeah.
Yes.
Surely.
Yes. Okay, Karen, please.
And I have most of the stuff.
Wie soll nicht sein, hat beschlossen. In der Meise, was ich will jetzt schreiben, it's not going to be that way, he decided, in the story that I'm going to write now, that I'm now going to write. Will ich sie geben, agab, от die Doseker Tatas und Mamas. I will give them a gift, these very same fathers and mothers. Und die Tochter, die Bas Yechida,
Yechida.
yeah, Yechida, and the daughter, the only daughter, that in mein Meiser Hasana Choden Dafka mit dem, and the daughter, the only daughter, is going to marry necessarily with dem was ihr Herz begehrt. She will marry her heart's desire. Hat Hanoah gehad von dem Spitzel, was gret sich abzutun in sein neuer Meise. He enjoyed the joke or the prank that he was preparing to put on in his new story in sein neuer Meiser und mit eiliger Tritt is aheim gegangen, kedei sich zu setzen schreiben, and he hurried home to sit down and write.
Exactly. Good. Thank you.
Beautiful.
What does Eiliger
Tam
mean?
v'nishlam. Finished. Yeah, okay, Morty.
Yes, I wanted to call attention to the first part of the first sentence in this paragraph. It's the same style of negative positive expression as we saw before. Wie soll soll nicht sein. Whatever may happen, whichever way it turns out, you cannot, usually it's said, wie soll nicht sein, at least in my understanding.
No
which is-
matter what happens.
No, right. Well, whichever way it happens,
Mhm.
yeah. But the nicht doesn't mean it doesn't happen. It is the contrary, the
Right.
opposite.
That's right.
What does Eiliger Tret mean? Eiliger is holy, no?
No,
hurried.
Eilike means hurried.
Hurried?
And
Yeah,
hurried.
hurried.
And
Quick
Steve-
steps.
Which
What
is
you mean is heilige, with
Heilig.
a gimel at the end,
Mhm.
and a hey,
Heiliger.
heilige.
so
But
it's
this is
written-
eilig.
Yeah, it's
Island
written differently.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the word Baschide
Bas Yechide from
Yeah.
Hebrew. Bat
Hebrew.
Yechida.
in the beautiful song, Mein Schwester mit the grüne Augen, that Chava Alberstein, she says, he talks about his sister and she will be a Bas Yechida,
Yes.
God's right side. That's
Yeah,
the
this-
only time I heard that word. This is the second time I've heard it. Bas Yechida means what?
An
Single
only
daughter.
child.
Only child. Thank you.
An only daughter
An only daughter.
in this, yeah. Okay, guys, we finished the story by Itzik Manger. We are not going to start a new story today because we have exactly 5 moments. The next story is by Shalom Ash. And it's about a husband that leaves his family, the verschwundene man. There was a section in the forwards that was dedicated to people, mainly men, who left their family and vanished. And Naomi, I'm stopping the recording so you can participate in person.